Welcome friends, my name is Mai. Today we are cooking a delicious sweet and savory Asian dish, caramel chicken. For this recipe, you will need chicken breast. To marinate the chicken, you will need orange juice, fish sauce, chili paste, and brown sugar. For the caramel sauce, you will need soy sauce, thick soy sauce, fish sauce, chili paste, orange juice, seasoned rice vinegar, brown sugar, honey, ginger, and garlic cloves. You will also need rice flour and cornstarch for the chicken breading. Begin by making the marinade for the chicken. Brown sugar, orange juice, fish sauce, and chili paste mixed together. Next, make the sauce. Begin by chopping the ginger and garlic. Peel the ginger before chopping. Next, in the medium pot, over high heat, combine soy sauce, fish sauce, orange juice, thick soy sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, chili paste, brown sugar, honey, chopped garlic, and chopped ginger. Bring the caramel sauce to boil. Now, time to bread the chicken. In a large bowl, combine rice flour and cornstarch. Thoroughly coat the marinade chicken. Fry the chicken at 365 degrees for 3 minutes. Place the fried chicken in the caramel sauce. And here you have delicious, sweet and savory caramel chicken. The chicken is tender and crispy, and the caramel sauce delicious. You gotta try it. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to make your own caramel chicken. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe and ring the notification bell.